You want to add Google Analytics to your Beehiiv page. This is the right thing to do. I wanted to do the same thing as soon as I launched my newsletter and announced it over on LinkedIn. From your dashboard, go to Settings. Once you're here, go to Website, and right here is the spot where you're going to enter your Google Analytics ID. On Google Analytics, create a new property, name it correctly, set up your time zone, go to OK, business details. This doesn't matter a terrible amount, but go ahead and set it up correctly. Same with the business objectives. Just click one of these, choose your platform, which is web, enter your website URL, and from there it will give you a stream. Right here, we have a measurement ID available in the right-hand side. Copy that to your clipboard, and that's all you need, folks, to go over and save this to your Beehiiv settings.